Let us take a trip down memory lane and crown every single MEN'S Royal Rumble winner in WWE history, right from the very beginning. This is your ultimate guide to the legends who punched their ticket to WrestleMania. It all started in 1988 with the very first winner, Hacksaw Jim Duggan. Then in '89, the giant Big John Studd claimed victory. The era of Hulkamania was in full swing, as Hulk Hogan won back-to-back Rumbles in 1990 and 1991. The Nature Boy Ric Flair styling and profiling his way to a win in 1992 for the WWE Championship. 1993 saw the colossal Yokozuna dominate. 1994 was a year of controversy with two winners, Bret the Hitman Hart and Lex Luger. Then came the Heartbreak Kid Shawn Michaels, who also won back-to-back in 1995 and 1996, with that '95 win being a historic first from the #1 spot. And that's the bottom line, cause Stone Cold Steve Austin said so, winning in 1997 and again in 1998. In a shocking twist, the boss himself, Vince McMahon, won in 1999. Can you smell what The Rock was cooking in 2000? He sure could. He won the Rumble that year. In 2001, Stone Cold made history, winning his third Royal Rumble, a record that still stands today. It was time to play the game in 2002 when Triple H returned to win. The next big thing, Brock Lesnar arrived and conquered in 2003. In 2004, Chris Benoit won from the #1 entry. The Animal Batista was unleashed in 2005. The ultimate underdog, Rey Mysterio, defied the odds in 2006. The Dead Man, The Undertaker, claimed his first Rumble victory in 2007. A surprise return for John Cena in 2008 saw him win. In 2009, it was the Viper Randy Orton's time to strike. The Rated R superstar Edge made a triumphant comeback to win in 2010. The first and only 40-man Royal Rumble in 2011 was won by Alberto Del Rio. The Celtic Warrior Sheamus kicked his way to victory in 2012. John Cena became a two-time winner in 2013. Batista returned to win his second Rumble in 2014. In 2015, it was Roman Reigns' yard. Triple H shocked the world in 2016, winning the WWE Championship in the Rumble match. Randy Orton picked up his second win in 2017. The King of Strong Style Shinsuke Nakamura won in 2018. It was time to burn it down in 2019 with Seth freakin' Rollins. Drew McIntyre fulfilled his destiny in 2020. Edge did it again, winning his second Rumble in 2021. Brock Lesnar tied the two-win club in 2022. And for the past 2 years, the American Nightmare, Cody Rhodes, has finished his story by winning in 2023 and 2024. From legends to modern-day superstars, that's every single Men's Royal Rumble winner. Who do you think is the greatest of them all? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more real WWE history.